We are given that LM is parallel to CD. We are also given that LN is parallel to CD. And we have to prove that AM upon AB is equal AN upon AB. This is what we need to prove. Right? Children, there will be just one hint that we are going to follow in all the questions, and that is you have to look at the parallel pairs. Just look at the lines which are parallel. I'll just first explain you. We are given LM parallel CD, right? Look at the end points. Look at the end points of these two lines. BC and LN, children. From BC, start. You may use your fingers. From BC, start coming towards LN. That is the end points. And then proceed. You are reaching at A. So figure out the triangle. Figure out the triangle, children.
ABC.
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 Whenever we are applying BPT or converse of BPT, it is important for us to mention the triangle. So we are getting in triangle ABC as
AM
LF
upon
parallel to CB. Therefore, by BPT,
वीडियो थोड़ी पॉज हो रही है
therefore, by BPT, what we get? What is the conclusion, children?
AM
Ma'am,
upon AD.
AM upon BM is equals to AL upon
AL
CL.
upon LC.
AL upon LC.
AL upon
Is equal AL upon LC. So I
LC.
get M upon MB is equal to AL upon
LC.
right? Without doing anything else, I have to apply this. I'm not even bothered what I have to prove. That I will see later. Whenever in a triangle, a pair of lines given parallel, make sure the hint is you have to apply BPT. Trace the lines, trace the triangle, and apply it. Rest we shall see later. Now next we are given that LN is parallel to CD beta. Right? Using the same hint, endpoints of CD.
Triangle ADC.
AN upon ND, AL upon LC.
AL upon AC, AN upon AD.
So I'm using the term similarly.
From 1 and 2 we get
Triangle ACD as LN is parallel to CD. Therefore, children, since I have used the term similarly, I need not write by BPT again because I have written similarly. Okay? So similarly, I have got LN parallel CD. What is the conclusion, children? AN upon ND.
AN upon ND is
AN
equals
upon
to
ND
AL
equals
upon
to
LC.
AL upon LC.
Yes.
And
AN
ma'am, by 1 and 2, AM
equal
by
to
MB is equals to
AN
AN.
upon NB is equal to
children, please wait. Now from 1 and 2, you can see that RHS of both is same. Yes? RHS of both is same.
yes, ma'am.
So what will we get? What will we get?
AM
upon
upon
AM
MB is
upon
equals
ND
to
AN upon
AN
equals
upon
to
ND.
AN upon
Yes. From 1 and 2, AM upon MB is equal to AM upon NB. This is the conclusion we are reaching to. Right, children? Now look at what is to be proved. Abhi though I said just blindly apply BPT wherever you find parallel lines. But after reaching the conclusion, now see what is to be proved. We have to prove AM upon AB. AM upon AB. The total thing I need. Right? And here I need AM upon AB. and here I need AN upon AD. But what I am getting is MB and ND. Numerators are same with me, but denominators I want different. So for this purpose, there is again a particular trick. When you need the total side, what you're going to do is, you are going to first reverse it, reciprocal it. I tell you why. First understand this. Suppose you have a number 2 by 3. Any number you have, and you are adding, let's say 1 to it. Right? If you will add 1 to it, what will happen? What is the LCM?
3.
3. So it will be 2 plus 3. Now in the entire process, when you added 1, which thing is remaining same? The numerator or the denominator?
Denominator.
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 So whenever you take LCM by adding 1, denominator will remain same. And children, here we do not want to have the same denominator. We want to have the same numerator.
Numerator.
So we have to do one step here. We will reciprocate. Reciprocate means? Reciprocate means?
Inverse.
Reverse.
Inverse.
Reciprocating both sides.
MB
What we
upon
get?
AM.
MB upon AM is equal
And
MB
ND
upon AM.
upon.
AN.
Now I shall be adding 1 to both sides.
Ma'am,
I
why
will be
are you
adding.
adding 1 to both sides?
I am adding 1 to both sides, children. I will let you know. Because I need the bigger side, AD. I don't want ND but AD. And from ND, if you want AD, what should be added here?
AN.
AM.
So
AM.
I will be adding 1 because when I add 1 in the LCM, AN will come there after LCM. Yes? So if you take LCM, what it will be?
AM.
AM
AM. MB plus
MB plus
MB
plus
AM.
AM
Equals
ND,
equals to ND plus AN upon AN.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
Now what is
ma'am.
MB? AM?
AB upon
Ma'am,
AM.
AB.
B upon AM.
AB.
AB upon AM.
So this implies AB upon AM is equal
Equal to
AD
AD
upon
upon
AD
AM.
upon AN. Reciprocate.
रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे आप.
reciprocated again. So this implies
मैं
what?
आपने वो
AM
बोला
upon
कि
AM
AB is
upon
equals
AB
to
is equal
AN
to
upon
AN
AD.
upon AD.
Hence
AN
proof.
upon hence proof. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और से पहले हमें एक एरो का साइन डाला हुआ है, वो ऐसे ही समझाने के लिए डाला है कि वो
Just to make you understand that I am reciprocating. That's it.